What do celebrities like Judge Judy, Sean Hannity, Bob Seger, and Mike Ditka all have in common? They've all called Naples, Florida home. Naples has earned a reputation as one of the wealth capitals of Florida, but today we're gonna go beyond just the headlines and show you exactly why so many high net worth families, retirees, and business owners are choosing to live here. From ultra-curated neighborhoods to resort-style amenities, exclusive golf courses, world-class boating, and some of the most pristine beaches in the entire Gulf Coast, we're gonna break it all down. I'm Rick Harrison, former contractor and award-winning real estate agent in Southwest Florida. Since 2020, my team's helped over 100 couples relocate smarter with a focus on long-term value, not just buying fast. And when it comes to high-end markets like Naples, knowing where to buy, when to buy, and what to avoid can make all the difference. Let's get started. We're standing here in Port Royal, one of the most prestigious and private enclaves in the entire country. This neighborhood isn't just known for its price tags, though waterfront estates here can easily range from $20 million to over $60 million. What truly sets it apart is the level of privacy, the architectural craftsmanship, and the deep sense of legacy built into these homes. Hedge fund managers, celebrities, legacy families, many of them call this stretch of Naples home. And Port Royal is just the beginning. You've got Aqualine Shores, Park Shore, Old Naples, Moorings, and Coquina Sands, all lined with stunning multi-million-dollar estates. For many owners, this is one of multiple properties they maintain across the country. Out-of-state cash buyers dominate here, especially from Chicago, New York, and the Northeast. And when they come down to Naples, this is often the first neighborhood on their radar. Now, to give you a better sense of what these homes are like, take a look at the one just behind me. This is a newly built estate by Griffin Builders, one of the top luxury home builders in Naples. And it's currently listed by Mark Fitzgerald at Premier Sotheby's International Realty. Inside, you'll find over 6,400 square feet of beautifully designed living space with soaring ceilings, custom cabinetry, a private guest cabana, and a layout made for entertaining. Outside, it's complete with a saltwater pool and spa, a summer kitchen, and a 3-car garage, all just a short walk from the beach. And it includes eligibility for membership at the Port Royal Club, one of the most exclusive beach clubs in Southwest Florida. This is the kind of home that defines what buyers come to expect in Port Royal. Timeless design, elite craftsmanship, and a level of living that's hard to match. And it's important to know, inventory here is extremely limited. A lot of transactions never hit the open market. They're handled quietly off-market through agent networks and private referrals. Naples consistently ranks among the safest and most stable luxury real estate markets in Florida. For most buyers in this price range, this isn't just about a home. It's a long-term legacy investment. But you know what surprises people most about Naples? It's not just the homes. It's the experience you get the moment you arrive here. Let me show you. Right now, we're walking through 5th Avenue South. And let me tell you, this is a coastal luxury done right. We've got boutique shops, high-end dining patios, luxury cars pulling up to valet, but without the chaos of places like Miami or Palm Beach. Everything here feels thoughtfully designed. No big billboards, no high-rise clutters. Naples has strict city ordinances that keep things upscale and clean. Even public spaces like parks, beaches, and marinas are immaculately maintained. It's one of the first things new buyers notice. Landscaping crews work year-round, and the city invests heavily in keeping everything clean, beautiful, and orderly. This elevated environment is a huge draw for people relocating from noisy, chaotic cities. It offers peace, beauty, and refinement, and that curation helps preserve long-term property values across the board. Buyers moving here aren't just purchasing real estate, they're buying into a curated lifestyle. One that feels peaceful, elegant, and refined. And that curation helps protect long-term property values. But if you really want to see what sets Naples apart, come with me to a community that feels like its own private resort. We're standing here in Mediterra, one of Naples' most sought-after luxury communities where every detail is designed to offer a full-service lifestyle. From 2 private Tom Fazio golf courses to a world-class beach club on the Gulf, tennis, pickleball, and a stunning wellness center. Everything about this gated enclave speaks to comfort, exclusivity, and simplicity. The homes? They're every bit as refined as a lifestyle. Take this beautiful finished residence in Brindisi, for example, a 3-bedroom plus den coach home offering over 2,500 square feet of light-filled living space, indoor-outdoor flow, and peaceful lake and preserve views. You'll find hardwood flooring, plantation shutters, and thoughtful updates throughout, including a gas cooktop, refreshed appliances, and a spacious screen lanai that stretches across the entire back of the home. It's private, it's quiet, and it's exactly the kind of turnkey, low-maintenance property many buyers are looking for in Naples, especially those who split their time across multiple homes. Presented by Bua Bell Group at John R. Wood Properties, this home is just one example of the level of quality you can expect here in Mediterra. But as beautiful as the homes are, there's something else that makes this part of Naples truly special. Let me show you. Behind me is Vanderbilt Beach, and if you've never seen a Naples beach before, this is what makes it special. Crystal clear water, soft white sand, calm Gulf surf. It's like being on a Caribbean island. but you're right here in Florida. Naples is home to some of the most beautiful beaches on the Gulf Coast. Loudermilk Park, Clam Pass, Delnora Wiggins Pass State Park, and Barefoot Beach is just up the road in Bonita Springs. Many luxury communities offer private beach club memberships, and the limited public beach access helps preserve that exclusivity for residents. That exclusivity drives serious demand. Beachfront condos often start at $1.5 million, and single-family estates can go for $15 to $40 million or more. Many of these properties change hands off-market, and limited public access means beachfront homeowners enjoy extra privacy. And when locals aren't soaking up the sun, you can bet they're on the greens. We're here at Tiburon Golf Club, one of Naples' premier golf destinations and home to 2 Greg Norman designed championship courses. This is where the PGA Tour's QBE Shootout and the LPGA's CME Group Tour Championship take place. And it's just one part of Naples' expansive golf scene. With more than 90 private and semi-private courses, Naples has one of the highest concentrations of luxury golf communities in the country. From Gray Oaks and Mediterra to Old Collier and the Strand, these aren't just golf clubs. They're full lifestyle centers. Think high-end dining, spa services, private fitness clubs, and a full calendar of social events. Memberships here can carry 6-figure initiation fees, with some wait lists stretching years. But for those who prioritize golf community and convenience, this is paradise. And the residences? They reflect the same standard. Take this residence at Ventanas at Tiburon. This is the kind of home you can expect to find here. Elevated, private, and turnkey. You'll find spacious, light-filled layouts with golf course views, luxury finishes, and resort-style amenities, all within a secured building and walking distance to the clubhouse. This particular home, presented by Eric Frankenfield of Realty ONE Group MVP, is a prime example of what makes Tiburon so desirable. From the impact-rated windows and crown molding to the screened lanai overlooking the pool and golf course. Everything here reflects a lifestyle of comfort, ease, and timeless design. And with access to spa services, tennis courts, dining, and optional golf or beach club memberships, residents enjoy much more than a home. They gain entry into a lifestyle. But if golf isn't your thing and you'd rather be out on the water, wait until you see what the boating scene is like here. We're at Naples City Dock, one of the many places where boating isn't just an activity, it's a lifestyle. Naples is designed for serious boaters. You've got deep water canals, protected bays, and easy Gulf access that make it ideal for yachts, sailboats, and sport fishing vessels. Popular marinas include Naples City Dock, Bayfront Marina, Hamilton Harbor Yacht Club, and Pelican Isle Yacht Club up in North Naples. Luxury waterfront neighborhoods like Port Royal, Aqualine Shores, and Royal Harbor often feature private docks and boat lifts directly behind the homes. It's a dream setup for those who want to spend their days dolphin watching, deep sea fishing, or cruising to Marco Island for lunch. Homes with newer seawalls, updated lifts, and unobstructed canal access are in especially high demand. And true yacht-ready homes often sell privately or within days of being listed. But what makes Naples really unique for high net worth buyers is how well it protects your peace of mind. Here at Gray Oaks, privacy and security aren't afterthoughts. They're foundational. Naples has one of the highest concentrations of fully gated communities in Florida. And this isn't just a gate arm and keypad. We're talking 24/7 staffed entrances, roaming patrols, and tightly controlled guest access. The estuary at Gray Oaks is a perfect example. Inside this exclusive enclave, you'll find ultra-private estates surrounded by nature, lakes, and championship golf with close proximity to Old Naples just minutes away. And right behind me is one of those properties, a former model estate that sits on 3/4 of an acre with long, uninterrupted lake and fairway views. Listed by Sam Heitman and Melissa Williams of Premier Sotheby's, this 5-bedroom plus den estate offers over 6,800 square feet under air and nearly 9,500 total, with soaring ceilings, classical detailing, and motor court that feels more like a private compound. Inside, you've got a gourmet kitchen with butler's pantry, dual primary baths, climate-controlled wine cellar, media room, and even a private cabana guest suite. And outside, an infinity edge pool, summer kitchen, gas fireplace, and a lanai built for sunset dinners and champagne toasts, all overlooking the lake and 2 fairways of the estuary course. Homes like this, turnkey and timeless, rarely become available in the estuary, especially with an immediate golf membership opportunity and no wait list. But one of the things that makes Gray Oaks so special is what's just outside these gates. You've got access to the brands, services, and experiences that follow wherever success goes. This is Mercado, one of Naples' hottest lifestyle hubs. Right around the corner, you've got waterside shops with names like Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Rolex, Tiffany & Co., Hermes, and Saks Fifth Avenue. This is high-end retail without the chaos of Miami. Mercado itself blends luxury, condos, nightlife, fine dining, and boutique shopping all in one walkable, beautifully maintained space. Fifth Avenue South and 3rd Street South are also iconic spots with art galleries, fine dining, and even luxury real estate storefronts. And it's not just shopping. Naples offers top-tier healthcare like NCH and concierge medical practices and private wealth management firms, all built around serving this affluent clientele. But all of this, it means nothing if you don't know how to navigate the Naples market. If you're thinking about relocating to Naples or upgrading into one of these incredible luxury communities, I'd love to help. Whether you're ready to move in the next 30 days or you're still a year or two out and just doing your research, this is what I do every single day for clients from all over the country. My name is Rick Harrison. I've helped countless families, retirees, and professionals relocate here to Southwest Florida, and I can help you navigate the Naples market with confidence. All my contact info is down below. Call, text, or schedule a time to chat whenever you're ready. And if you're not quite ready to reach out yet, no problem at all. I actually put together a comprehensive relocation guide based on years of client questions and feedback. It's got a simple breakdown of the top neighborhoods for golf, boating, 55 plus, and walking lifestyles, plus some things most people overlook when buying from out of state. If you're still in the research mode, feel free to grab it. The link's in the description below. And if you want to dive even deeper into living in Southwest Florida, make sure to check out this next video right here. See you over there, and as always, stay safe, stay positive, and more importantly, stay free.